Maruti Suzuki Fronx lights at night. These are the front lights with low beams and DRL. There are no halogen lights, it's all LED setup. This is the rear tail look, the indicators and the tail light. All LEDs and even the number plate lights are complete LED. The reversing lights are also LED. This is how it looks in the dark with high beams. The DRLs turn into side indicators. This is how it looks from the back. With auto headlights, whenever you unlock the car, it is going to turn on all the lights, and in the dark also automatic headlamps spring into action. So once the lights are on, this is how the AC system looks, the infotainment system, the parking lights. These are the buttons that light up in the steering column. These are the traction control and headlight adjustments and window adjustment switches. The only halogens in the car are the roof liner lights for the front. These are LEDs on the skid plate and halogens in the rear. Whenever you unlock the car, it turns on slowly. Whenever you turn off the car, it gradually fades off, like in premium cars. This is how the Fronx looks at night on the road. The LEDs look striking at night. The brightness is bright enough for city and highway.